Navigating car hire after an accident. It's not my fault. Accidents are unfortunate events that can happen to anyone. And when you're involved in one that isn't your fault, the aftermath can be particularly stressful. Not only do you need to deal with the emotional and physical ramifications, but also the logistical challenges, especially when it comes to transportation. This is where car hire services come into play, providing essential mobility when you need it most. In this article, we will explore what you need to know about car hire after a not-at-fault accident, the processes involved, and the options available to you. Understanding the basics. When you find yourself in a car accident that is not your fault, the first step is to ensure your safety and the safety of others involved. After securing safety, calling the police to report the accident is crucial. This creates an official record which can be invaluable when dealing with insurance claims and rental car arrangements. What happens next? Once the police have arrived, you should exchange information with the other driver or drivers and collect witness statements if possible. Documenting the scene with photographs can also be helpful. With this information, you can file a claim with your insurance company or the at-fault party's insurer. Rental car coverage. A critical aspect of managing the aftermath of an accident is understanding your rental car coverage. If the accident was not your fault, you may be entitled to reimbursement for a rental car. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Insurance policy. Check your car insurance policy to see what rental reimbursement coverage is included. Many policies cover a specific amount per day and have a cap on the total amount you can claim. For example, you might have a limit of $30 per day with a maximum of $900 per claim. 2. Claiming for rental cars. If you are not at fault, you can often claim rental costs from the at-fault driver's insurance. This process can vary depending on the insurance companies involved, so it's important to communicate clearly and keep detailed records of all correspondence. 3. Duration of rental. Understand how long you can keep the rental car. Typically you can use a rental vehicle until your car is repaired or until your claim is settled, whichever comes first. Make sure to clarify this with your insurance or the at-fault party's insurer. Different perspectives on car hire after an accident. While the above points provide a general overview of what to expect after a not-at-fault accident, there are different perspectives to consider from the driver's perspective. For many drivers, the immediate concern after an accident is getting back on the road. This can lead to frustration if the rental car process is slow or complicated. Understanding your rights and the procedures involved can alleviate some of this stress. From the insurance company's perspective, insurers may have specific protocols for claims related to rental cars. They often assess the situation to determine liability before approving rental expenses. This can lead to delays, which can be frustrating for drivers who need immediate transportation. From the rental company's perspective, rental car companies are in the business of providing transportation solutions. They often have processes in place to assist customers who are involved in accidents. However, they also rely on insurance claims to get paid. This can sometimes complicate matters, especially if there are disputes over liability. Examples of rental car services. There are many services available to assist you in the event of a not-at-fault accident. For instance, companies like Not My Fault specialise in providing replacement vehicles for drivers involved in accidents that are not their fault. They operate in various regions and can often deliver a rental car to your location quickly, minimising downtime. What to do if you encounter issues. Should you run into issues while trying to arrange a rental car, whether it's delays in approval from insurance or difficulties with rental companies, here are some steps to take. 1. Document everything. Keep records of all communications, including emails, phone calls, and any documentation provided by the insurance companies. 2. Follow up. Don't hesitate to follow up with your insurance company and the rental car agency. Persistence can sometimes expedite the process. 3. Seek legal advice. If you encounter significant hurdles or disputes, it may be wise to consult with a legal professional who specialises in car accidents. They can provide guidance and potentially help you navigate complex situations. Conclusion. Being involved in a car accident that isn't your fault can be a disheartening experience, but understanding your rights and the processes involved in securing a rental car can empower you to act decisively. From knowing what your insurance covers to the best practices for claiming reimbursement, being informed is your best ally. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount, so take the necessary steps to protect yourself and ensure that you have the means to get where you need to go. With the right knowledge and resources, you can navigate the complexities of car hire after an accident smoothly. For more information and resources, visit www.CarHire.Claims. Stay safe and drive responsibly.